2 Pepsi bottles, empty, washed out. The only parts we purchase are 1032 by 1.5 inch screw with nut, 2 number 10 washers, 4.5 inches, 4.25 inches actually, of 060 wire, 42 inches, 70-pound test fishing line with a looped end. We'll remove the labels, which we'll get to. This is removing the labels. Now, what I do is I run it under hottest tap water I can, 130 degrees. Just very slowly peel this off. You may end up with some adhesive left. That can be removed with mineral spirits. You end up with then obviously a blank bottle. You mark the bottle. This is the main bottle. This is preset. Base, go around. Felt tip marker. Mark it. Same with the bottom. Now this bottom one is nothing more than a guide when you put notches in here. This is going to be cut out and become the base of the bird feeder. The second piece is the top. Very nicely marked top. You go around there. And this is cap. Go around there. So you end up with two more. Out of 2 bottles, you have 2 caps and 1 base. Friction fit, will not blow off. I could show you they're out in the backyard. After they're cut, you end up with base and a top. They fit like that. They're friction fit. They won't blow off. They won't come off very easily. You can also use this bottom section here as a top. Just a different configuration, but also friction fit. Now, we use the caps and do with a soldering iron, put a 1/4 inch hole in the middle. I could show you how to do that. I have one. And on some of them, about 1/3 of them, you put a small hole about 1/16 down close to the bottom. See in here, 180 degrees apart. This piece of wire ultimately is going to be formed into a piece like this. I'll show you how to do it. That wire goes in here. That becomes the main support. To form the wire, Let's see what I do with the pliers. About an 1/8 inch at the end of the pliers. A little more. Put a little over 90-degree turn on it so you end up with a piece like that. That goes in this jig, just turns around like this. To finish the form, line up the pliers with the other leg. Bend them about 90 degrees. Nothing magic about this. Could be off a little bit, no problem. Now, what you want to do is the sub-assembly first. The sub-assembly consists of a cap, the lines are threaded down through it, through the top. Now, I also have a fine wire that I do this. It goes through the top like that, goes through the cap like that, and then around this wire here, so that you end up with something that looks like that. This screw first goes the washer, then the screw goes in like that. Now, bear in mind you have, what the heck it is, the sub-assembly already has this on. So we're going to do that. You end up with that. This is a base that's been cut. Put this down. That goes through the bottom of the base. Plate goes on like that. Another cap, which I'll find. Goes in the bottom. Washer, nut. Now that gets tightened up. That's the end result. Is this. Now, there's more pressure, the more weight in here, the tighter this is pressed against the top, so it's sealed.